thing on? Wow, it's been a while. Okay, so I am officially back in Taiwan. And as you can see, we have like the best view from our hotel. It's raining a lot, but luckily this morning it wasn't raining. But I can see right now even the lens in my camera is getting fogged up, so hold on. It's so funny because I live in Florida, right? And it's humid there too, but sometimes I think it might even be a little more humid here. I'm just so excited to be here and take you guys along with me. So thanks for joining. I know it's been a while, but I'm back.
It's so hot I can't eat it. We're gonna try this. This is garlic. Very tasty. Very garlicky. But I would give it an okay rating. You wanna try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it now. It's wrapped in rice, actually.
Oh, is that rice?
Yeah, it's rice. They're pretty good. I actually like this one. I never had it before.
Watermelon juice is awesome. Watermelon juice. Just plain watermelon juice.
We got the king oyster mushrooms, and they look kind of like this. And we got mustard and lemon pepper.
They're good.
Very good. A little spicy. A little spicy, but it's good. I've only ever had king oyster mushrooms here in Taiwan, actually. So.
I've never seen these. Mushrooms are huge.
Looks good.
Yeah, it does look pretty good. All right. That is very good.
Good?
Very good. Well, you go.
See, we got is the peanut ice cream because that's classic, and I loved it when I got it.
Peanut ice cream burrito.
Okay.
That is so good.
You like it?
It's peanut ice cream as well as peanuts, so
Very peanutty.
it's very tasty. I like it a lot. That's one of the best things we've eaten so far. That's so good.
Ice cream with peanut butter.
Yeah, it's good.
Wait, this one is better than the last one I had.
I think it's the peanut ice cream with the peanuts on it.
Yeah.
It's really tasty.
I'd eat like this ice cream just like by itself.
Yeah, it's very good.
Very good. Oh, very cold. We got this fried crab stick with honey mustard.
Honey mustard.
Is it gonna be hot? I feel like it's hot.
I don't know. Too hot?
Hot. Wow, cold. I think there's cheese in it.
Oh, really?
I think there's cheese in the middle of it. That's pretty good.
It does have a cheese in the middle.
Yeah, cheese.
It's good though.
Yeah.
Honey mustard's good.
I never had crab and honey mustard before. We got some candied grapes. I don't know what it's called when they put the sugar like that on it, but I know it's famous. Okay, go ahead.
A lot of sugar on the outside, really hard.
I don't even know, they had a name for it.
It's like such a big layer.
Once you get like the fruit juice, it kind of cuts through the sugar. I got the vibe now. Yeah, pretty good. I never tried this before actually, but I know it's a famous thing for night market, so pretty good. This is a quail egg with like some things in it and teriyaki sauce on it.
Yeah. So it's like a little quiche.
I think there's cheese in that. It does taste like a little quiche, and they're really cute. They're like little cups. Yeah, it's sticky tofu. There it is. Oh.
I'm not very excited about this. This is probably a very bad idea. I'm only doing this because this is a Taiwanese delicacy, but stinky tofu. But I'm gonna eat another bite. I'd say it's one of the worst things I've eaten tonight. I'm sorry.
Wow, that's bad. So when I had stinky tofu, I was here in Taiwan and we ordered it to my friend's apartment because we were nervous to eat it in public. But this is my first from a night market. Oh, very hot. Better than the one I had the first time because it's super fresh. It does not taste like it smells. Like when we were walking past, I was like, I know the stinky tofu somewhere because I smelled it, and we finally found the place. Oh my god! I almost dropped it on the floor. It's not bad. I would say I'm still gonna go with dumplings. That's my favorite food in Taiwan, but that was pretty good. So our last food for the night market was the large chicken. I don't really know exactly what it's called, but yes, we're gonna try it. It's kind of hot, but I only got breading really. Whew, are hot. The flavor's good though. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty good fried chicken.
This is very good. Taiwan's big chicken is better than KFC. That's really juicy.
Yeah, very juicy. I realize I'm progressively getting greasier and sweatier in this video. You guys weren't joking when you said that it was hot here in Taiwan in the summer. And I know I've been here, but it's been 2 years. That concludes our time at Shilin Night Market. It was very delicious, very good, and we'll see you later. Good night.